another episode of Mini Scholars with me, English Dan. Today we're talking about directions and words we can use when we give or follow directions. I thought the best way to explain directions would be for me to tell you about my trip to London when I went to see Big Ben. I took the train from Liverpool in northern England down to a station called London Euston Station. When I got to London Euston Station, I realised I'd forgotten my map. How was I going to find Big Ben without my map? I looked around and I could see an information centre, so I went to the information desk to ask for help. At the information desk, I told the man I wanted to go to Big Ben, but I'd lost my map. Could he give me some directions? The man was very nice and he said he could help. So these are the directions that he gave me. He pointed to the exit of the train station and told me I should follow the path out of the station towards the traffic lights, at which I should turn left and then follow the road straight towards the bridge. He said at the bridge I would see a stop sign and I should check to make sure it's safe before continuing over the bridge. He said after I'd crossed the bridge, I should use the subway to get to the other side of the road, and then I should carry on to another set of traffic lights. At those traffic lights, he said I should turn right and then follow that road, which would take me all the way to Big Ben. I followed the directions as he said, and I'm pleased to report I got to Big Ben with no problems at all, even though I had no map. The directions helped me get there. I hope you enjoyed that short story about my trip to London and seeing Big Ben. Shall we practice the words that we heard in the directions given? We had map, path, traffic lights, left, right, bridge, subway, and sign. Let's practice some phonics now as well. Let's practice the phonics for the letters L, R, and M. We had L for the word left. L makes the sound Now the letter R, we had R for the word right, and R makes the sound And lastly, let's practice the sound for the letter M. We had M today for the word map. M makes the sound Okay, it's time for me to go, but remember, all of the words that we've learned in today's episode are available in a free practice activity sheet on my website, veryrealenglish.com/EnglishDan. If you have any questions about the words that we've just learned or anything else in today's video, put your questions in the comments below and I will answer them as soon as I can. And remember, join me in the next episode when we'll be looking at the weather. Until then, happy learning and see you soon. Bye bye.